Now, more commonly than the square root property will be our use of the zero product property, which states that if any two things, or even more than two things, are multiplied and it equals 0, then one of those things has to be 0. So when we have a quadratic equation in factored form, set equal to 0, we know that one or both of those factors has to equal 0, and so we can use that in order to find our two solutions. If it's not already factored, we get our quadratic in standard form, we factor it and set each equation to 0, and then we solve each one to find our two solutions. This quadratic is already in factored form, and it's set equal to 0, so we can go ahead and set both of these equal to 0 and solve. So we get our two solutions that x equals 4 and negative 1/3. We can do it again. It's not in standard form, nor is it factored, so we can get it into standard form, 2x squared plus x minus 3. And now we can go ahead and factor. We want a product of negative 6, a sum of 1. That's going to be the numbers 3 and negative 2. 2x squared minus 2x plus 3x minus 3. 2x, x minus 1, 3, x minus 1. Our two factors are 2x plus 3 and x minus 1. Set both equal to 0. X equals negative 3/2 and x equals 1. Those are our two solutions for x.